You make money. You spend money. You make more. You spend more. And somehow, you never get ahead. Sound familiar? You're not bad with money. You're stuck in a cycle, and almost nobody talks about how to actually break it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why you're stuck and the 5 steps to break free, starting today. Subscribe to Mint Path. We drop a money tip every single day so you never fall behind again. Here's the reality. Nearly 7 in 10 Americans are living paycheck to paycheck right now. That's not just people making minimum wage. That includes people earning 6 figures. The average household is carrying over $11,000 in credit card debt. And across the country, Americans owe a combined $1.28 trillion on credit cards. Meanwhile, 59% of people can't even cover a $1,000 emergency. One flat tire, one ER visit, one busted phone, and it all goes on the credit card. It feels like running on a treadmill. You're exhausted, but you're going nowhere. So why is this happening? It's not because you're lazy. It's because the system is designed to keep you spending. First, lifestyle creep. You get a raise and your spending rises to match it. New car, nicer apartment, more dinners out. The raise disappears before you feel it. Second, social media. Nearly half of young adults admit social media makes them spend money they don't have. You see someone's vacation, someone's outfit, someone's car, and your brain says, I deserve that too. Third, nobody taught you this. And that's not your fault, but it is your problem to fix. Let's talk about the thing silently eating your money, credit card interest. The average credit card charges over 21% APR. New cards, nearly 24%. Here's what that means. Say you owe $5,000 and only pay the minimum each month. At 21% interest, it takes you over 14 years to pay it off, and you'll pay nearly $4,000 in interest alone. $5,000 becomes almost $9,000. That's the invisible drain. If this is opening your eyes right now, do me a favor, hit subscribe. We break down money like this every single week so you can stop guessing and start winning. Alright, here's how you break free. Step 1. Face the number. This week, write down every single dollar coming in, and every dollar going out. Don't use an app yet. Don't budget yet. Just look. Most people have no idea where their money goes. When you see it on paper, it hits different. You can't fix what you won't look at. This one step changes everything. Step 2. Kill the leaks. The average person pays for 8 subscriptions and spends over $200 a month on them. And here's the crazy part. Almost half forgot about a subscription they're still being charged for. Go through your bank statement right now. Cancel anything you haven't used in 30 days. Then call your phone company, your internet provider, your insurance. Ask for a lower rate. The worst they say is no. But say you save just $200 a month doing this. That's $2,400 a year back in your pocket. Step 3. Build a $1,000 emergency wall. This is the single most important thing you can do before paying off debt or investing. Because without it, every emergency goes right back on the credit card, and the cycle restarts. Here's how. Automate $50 a week into a separate savings account. Don't touch it. In about 5 months, you'll have your wall, and for the first time, an emergency won't become a debt spiral. Step 4. Now attack your debt, starting with the card that has the highest interest rate. This is called the Avalanche method. You pay minimums on everything else and throw every extra dollar at the highest rate card first. Why? Because at 21% APR, every dollar you leave on that card is being multiplied against you. The math is simple. Killing high-interest debt first saves you thousands in interest over time. Step 5. Once debt is under control, start investing, even if it's just $1. Fractional shares mean you can own a piece of the S&P 500 for less than a cup of coffee. We broke down exactly how $100 a month can turn into $1 million in our last video, links in the description. The point is, don't wait until you have enough. There is no enough. Just start. Let's recap. Face your numbers, kill the leaks, build the wall, attack the debt, start investing. 5 steps. That's it. None of them require a finance degree. None of them require a high salary. They just require a decision. The broke cycle doesn't break when you earn more. It breaks the moment you decide it breaks. Subscribe to Mint Path. Your path to smarter money starts right now. I'll see you in the next one.